Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to become a host on Agoda. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Agoda app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen you can see options like home, my trips, deals, cuts and more. All you have to do is go ahead and go to bottom right corner, then tap on more. Now on the top of the screen you can see host on Agoda homes option with a huge green mark on it. Just tap on it, then they're gonna take you to the website where you can become a host. Now there you can see options like overview, listings, reservation messages and profile. Tap on profile, then select the host type. You can add a photo there, add your first name, last name, display name, your date of birth, contact details, language preference, email ID. You have to verify your email ID. You also have to give your location details like where you live, your primary address. Then you can describe yourself there. You can even add an Airbnb profile link if you have one. And guys, all you have to do is now go ahead and go to the bottom right corner and tap on save. Once you give all this information, you're gonna be a host on Agoda Homes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.